Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So I'm going to make this video as quick as I possibly can because I keep re-recording it and it's just been going over way too long. I keep just, saying things I don't need to be saying. Anyways, first off, I highly recommend you to go check out the Chronicle. I'm a part of the Chronicle, so if you really like CRO and Crypto.com and all of that information on Cronos chain and you want to get involved in projects that also really like CRO and everything like that, then the Chronicle is the perfect place for you to go. And it's kind of, the Cronos chain is kind of like Binance Smart Chain, but for Crypto.com and CRO investors and holders. So I also recommend you follow us on Twitter. If you do hashtag a winter celebration, you can see that we're doing many giveaways, and we're going to be having a few of these giveaways where all you have to do is like and retweet and follow 5 projects, including us, and well, that'd be 6, and there'll be one winner, so 1,000 USDC per giveaway. So if you want a chance to win 1,000 US dollars, then you should go enter that giveaway. It's really simple. Just follow all of them and like and retweet the one tweet. And we also do a lot of other news as well on our Twitter. And I also recommend you go follow or subscribe to us on YouTube, the Chronicle News right here, Cronos Chain News. We have project deep dives, we have AMA recaps for our voice ones, we have these daily gainers, and we plan to launch more content as well. Sorry about the dogs in the background. But all right, let's get into the actual video now. So I'm going to be going over stablecoin LPs, and basically the reason these are so important and so cool is because you can earn way higher interest than you can on CeFi, such as Crypto.com earn. On Cronos chain, you can earn a lot more interest, and it's really cheap to interact on Cronos chain, like only like 1 to 2 CRO when you like confirm or verify certain transactions. So let's just get straight into it. I'll do another tutorial where I explain how stablecoin LPs actually work and how to buy them or get them and how to like deposit them into the farms and all that. I'll make another video on that. So I'm not going to really go too much into that. I'm just going to go over which ones are the best and trusted and all that. All right. The one thing I will say is liquidity usually matters, just so you can be able to pull out your money whenever you want. Just in case if the liquidity was too low, then I think there might be a chance for you to not be able to withdraw. All right. First off, it seems that Photon Swaps the highest. We have the pool of USDT, USDC, which you have to put 50% in USDT and 50% in USDC. So if you're doing $5,000, you have to do $2,500 on each token. And you can earn 52% interest from having those two staked on here. The total deposit is $70,000 in this pool. So it's kind of low, but it's not too bad. 52% APR is really good though. There's also Cryptoswap, and this has 427,000. So that's really high, 43% APR. So it might be worth it to move over to that one compared to Photon Swap, just because the liquidity is so much higher, even though the APR is a bit lower. Next up, Chronoswap. I'm actually farming using Chronoswap, and I'm also using VVS Finance. Chronoswap's liquidity is kind of low, 88,000. It was a little over 100,000 not too long ago. APR though is at 37%, so it's pretty good interest. VVS Finance is obviously the most trusted one. It's backed by Particle B because it's funded by them, and Crypto.com has advertised them and everything like that. Put them on the DeFi app. It was the first app ever on the DeFi wallet to be integrated into it. And the USDC USDT pool has 69 million US dollars staked on it, so you don't have to worry about liquidity or never. If you wanted to pull your money out and the liquidity is too low, that just isn't going to happen on VVS Finance. Now, of course, as more money is staked in each pool, the APR does lower. Also depends on the multipliers and everything, and sometimes these are just like special deals of when they higher up the multiplier. But the APR in VVS Finance is 22%. But it's still really good. If you have $1,000, 1 year is $211, 7 days, $369, 30 days, $1,591. So not bad at all. Let's do that on here, $1,000. 30 days, $31. 1 year, $450. 7 days, $7.16. I like the Chronoswap one because it has the compounding one compared to VVS Finance has no compounding. If you want to do something like $25,000, you could do that, and staked for a month on $25,000, $773. So, and within the year, $11,000. If you have $50,000 and you do 1 year in stable coins, compounding every 7 days, that's $22,000 a year. Now that kind of sounds too good to be true, because off of 50,000 you can make 22,000 a year just off of 50,000, and it's in stable coins where the price never fluctuates, right? But DeFi technically has more risk than CeFi. VVS finance is the least risky ever, but it can still be susceptible to hacks and some other stuff. But to be honest, it's not really too much of a worry. But if you guys have seen that Badger DAO recently got hacked, which was a DeFi protocol, and lots of money was drained from it. So if you're interacting with these protocols, technically your money could be drained from it from a hack, and you just have to hope that the hacker gives the money back, or that the protocol somehow makes it up to you and whatnot. But so there are some risks, right? It's not just clear, free, free money, yay, right? You have to actually worry about some things compared to, and also it's, in DeFi, your money's not insured. In a bank, you have like the $250,000 FDIC insurance and all that. So yeah, when you lose your money on a DeFi app or whatever like this, there's a chance that you just lose it completely and don't get any refunds or anything compensated for it. Other than hacks and all that stuff, APR usually lowers eventually. It usually starts good, and since Cronos is new and all that, just like barely a month old now, and not much people know about it yet, it makes sense that APRs are also high. As more people start coming into Cronos and FOMOing in and getting involved and buying in these projects, I feel like a lot more people will start using these USDT, USDC farms, and the APR will lower a lot. So realistically, I don't know if you're going to be getting 37% without anything happening, whether the interest lowers or a hack happens. I mean, the hacks are a lot less common, but the interest lowering is very common. But yeah, to have it run on Chronoswap for one whole year and constantly make 22,000 a year, that's not realistic. VVS finance, even at 22%, I don't know what will happen, if it'll stay like that or not. But if you did 50,000, that'd be 10,000 a year, which is not bad. But I would never quit your job and do yield farming for a living off of stablecoin ones and stuff like that, because you just don't know what will happen in the interest, if it lowers or not. But it is great extra money just to have on the side. You can earn a ton of money this way using stablecoin yield farming pairs and all that. Just because, I mean, you don't lose any value, right? If you're doing like CRO VVS, then there's impermanent loss. The tokens go up and down in value, all that. You can lose money technically, and USDC, USDT, it always stays around $1. So you're just earning pure interest. Same as if you staked USDC on Crypto Earn, basically, except Crypto Earn is a lot more safe, just due to you being able to lock it, and then also just having it in CeFi is a lot safer. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to keep under 10 minutes, so I'm going to end it here. Hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more future content like this. And lastly, I want to say there are a lot more yield farming pools of stablecoin farms out there other than just these ones. So I recommend you check out our Twitter and thechronicle.com, as you can find many different dexes and farms that have stablecoin pools, pairs in them. But I just wanted to show you the ones that had high liquidity and also high interest, mainly the high interest though. All right, I'll see you all in my next video.